Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to twist and most importantly how to ensure your twist doesn't unravel. So if you're new to this channel, you're very welcome to the family, and if you love what we do, please subscribe just by clicking the subscribe button below. It's completely free and you'll definitely love every single video we put on this channel. So this is Annie. As you can see, she's a very jolly, happy kid, always smiley, always happy. So join us today. First, I'll be parting the front, and as you see, I'll be parting the whole head into 3 sections. So front one and then the back into 2. For the edges, I just try to use edge control or shea butter. You can use gel if you want, but I don't like to use normal gel. So now for this section, I use wool to just secure the bun, and you can use normal bubbles, but I just prefer to use wool because it gives it a very tight grip. If you're using wool, just make sure you tie at the end and then cut off any excess, just like this. So now you want to split this into 4. I just put some coconut water to make it a bit moist and manageable. This is a 4C kind of air, so if you have a 4C, you know how hard it is, to try to make anything if it's not moist. So now to twist, you want to bring the left, you want to split it into 2 equal strands, and then you want to bring the left over the right, and then you twist. So you bring the left over the right, and then you take the left back into its position. So don't worry, I'm going to show you in about 3 to 4 instances. And at the very end, you want to fold the tip when you finish twisting, and then you twist the rest of the strand around the fold, if that makes sense. But anyway, I'm going to show you a few times over the course of this video, so make sure you watch this video to the end, and I'm sure by the end of this video you would learn how to twist. You would have learned how to twist, and you'll be able to confidently twist any day, anytime, with any hairstyle. So let's go. That's the first section done. Sorry that was very fast, but now I'm gonna show you in this second section, and I'll be slow so you can see exactly how it's done. So again, remember, once you take the part you want to twist, you divide into 2 equal halves, so 2 equal strands just like this, and then you take the left strand, bring it on top of the right strand. So let's go. 2 equal strands, you bring the left strand on top of the right strand, you take it back to the left, and you go on like that. You start to twist, so left on top of the right, back to the left, left on top of the right, back to the left, and you twist all the way to the end, left on top of the right, back to the left. You twist all the way to the end. When you get to the end, you merge both together and twist. Now this part might unravel if you're not very good with twisting, so you want to fold the tip and then take the rest of the strand around the fold, so it gives it kind of like a round tip, that way it doesn't unravel. Okay, if you didn't get that, don't worry, practice makes perfect. I'll show you again, so just keep watching and I'll show you another example. I'll be uploading more videos of different twist styles, so just make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications, and you'll be able to see the kind of different hairstyles you can make with twist. So again, let's go to twist. You bring the left strand over the right, take it back to the left strand over the right, back to the left, and you twist all the way down. At the very end, you merge both strands together and twist into one. So just one strand, you see, just like this. And then you fold the tip. You get just one strand at the end. You fold the tip like this. And then take the rest of this strand round the tip. And this way your twist would never unravel. So you get like a ball tip kind of way. And that's it. We're all done. But as you know, little princess likes to always accessorize her hair. So we're gonna put a lovely white bubble around it, just to, you know, give it a pretty finished look. Nice. So thanks so much for watching, and see you next time. Make sure you click on the subscribe button on the bottom of this video, and see you next time. Bye.